Hello everyone and welcome back. As promised in my previous video, I have prepared free exercise PDFs on Phonics for all of you. To avail that, all you have to do is subscribe to my channel and drop me a message on my Instagram or Facebook page. The link is given in the description box down below. So let's get into the video. In today's lesson, we will learn two-letter sound. We will see what the sound comes out to be when the first letter is a consonant and the second one is a vowel. For example, B plus A means bear. B plus A means bear. Alright. Before we begin with our today's lesson, let's quickly revise the sound of the 26 alphabets. Repeat after me. E, B, K, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, A, P, Q, R, S, T, A, V, V, X, Y, Z. B, 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 K, K, Ki, K, K, D, 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 Do, D, F, Fe, Fi, Fo, Fo, Ge, Ge, Gi, Go, Go, He, He, Hi, Ho, Ho, J, J, Ji, Jo, Jo, K, K, Ki, Ko, Ko, Le, Le, Li, Lo, Lo, Me, Me, Mi, Mo, Mo, Ne, Ne, Ni, No, No, Pe, Pe, Pi, Po, Po, Que, Que, Qui, Quo, Quo, Re, Re, Ri, Ro, Ro, Se, Se, Si, So, So, Te, Te, Ti, To, To, Ve, Ve, Vi, Vo, Vo, Ve, Ve, Vi, Vo, Vo, Ze, Ze, Zi, Zo, Zo, ye, 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 yo, yo, ze, ze, zi, zo, zo. This was all for today. In the next lesson, we will be discussing the sounds, their examples, sentences, and exercises in the video itself. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.